Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into a delicious and hearty dish that's perfect for any occasion. Home-cooked Samgyupsal. This mouth-watering meal is a must-try for anyone who loves a good feast. Samgyupsal, also known as Samgyupsal, is a traditional Korean dish that features a variety of meats, vegetables, and sauces all served on a sizzling hot plate. It's a great way to bring people together around a table and enjoy a meal that's both fun and flavorful. The key to a great Samgyupsal is in the preparation. First, you'll need to choose your meats. Beef bulgogi, pork belly, and spicy chicken are all popular choices. You can also add seafood such as shrimp or squid to make it even more scrumptious. Next, it's time to prepare the vegetables. Fresh greens like lettuce, kimchi, and bean sprouts are essential, along with other vegetables like onions, mushrooms, and cucumbers. Don't forget to include some eggs too. Now let's talk about the sauces. Samgyupsal is all about customization, so you'll want to have a variety of sauces on hand. From spicy to sweet, there's a sauce for every taste. Finally, it's time to cook. Place all the ingredients on the hot plate and let the sizzling begin. As the meats and vegetables cook, they'll release their flavors, creating a mouth-watering aroma that's sure to make your taste buds tingle. Once everything is cooked, it's time to enjoy. Samgyupsal is best enjoyed family style, with everyone digging in and creating their own perfect combination of flavors. So there you have it, folks. A delicious and hearty home-cooked Samgyupsal. If you're feeling inspired, why not give it a try? And if you're already a fan of this scrumptious dish, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food adventures. Until next time, happy eating!